Hey, to post on the YouTube, all you have to do is open the community tab on your channel. And from here, you can set the visibility of your post. So you can go for the public or, for example, all channel members with this mark. Now from here, you can actually input the image. You can create the image pool from here. You can also input the text pool and add more options. You can also set the quiz with 4 answers, and you can also input the video. So you can put something from your videos that are actually visible on your YouTube channel. And when you want to post something like some random words, in my case, you will have to just click on the post, but also you can set the schedule post, and you can pick the date and the post time. And after this, just click on the schedule button and you can actually find it on your published right here. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.